So this is going to start the notes only for the density section. Dylan, please. All right, so we're going to start out with density. So let's go. So density is an intensive property that depends only on the type of the substance, not on the amount. So amount does not matter. So for example, what color is my pen? Blue. Does it matter if it's this long or if it's tiny?
No.
It doesn't. So that's an intensive property, color, because it doesn't depend on how much there are. Just like boiling point, melting point, it doesn't matter if I have a little bit of water or a lot of water. It boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I think it's 212 Fahrenheit. So intensive is no matter how much you have, it doesn't change. It doesn't care about the amount. It stays the same. There's another word called extensive properties that does depend on the amount. Depends on amount. All right. So we have density. We're going to give you the formula. Density is mass over volume. And you can have two different units. Well, you can have any type of units, but the ones that we're going to focus on is metrics. And for mass, we're going to do grams. So mass is at the numerator at the top, so it's grams. For volume, you could have milliliters, but you can also have cubic meters, because remember, when you hit that cubic range, length times width times height, that's volume. 1 milliliter is the same as 1 cubic centimeter. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So let me write that off to the side. 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. So if you have to do a density problem and it's giving you cubic for an amount, that's the volume. Density of a substance usually increases when its temperature decreases. Except water. Water is a special substance. So if density increases, temperature decreases. Oh, you guys can't even see that. There we go. All right, let me give you guys a sec to write this because it was off the screen and no one told me. In math class, if one variable goes up and the other goes down, is that a direct or indirect relationship? If they do the opposite, direct or indirect? Indirect relationship. Therefore, because water is an exception, it doesn't do the indirect relationship. If the density of water decreases, the temperature decreases as well. So for water, it's special. If density goes down, the temperature goes down. If density goes up, the temperature goes up. So that's the end of just the notes for density. All right.